Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a gameplay of I'm gonna play Skylander. This is the first video that I'm gonna play as a Skylander for gameplay in Swap Force. So we're gonna do Night Shift. We're gonna play as Night Shift for the gameplay. Okay, so I'm gonna show his attacks. His first attack is like he punches like this. His second attack, ow. Okay, gotta get away, because otherwise I keep getting hit. Okay, his first attack is he punches. Second attack is he can teleport, like that. And he leaves like a red stuff, whatever it is. Third attack is he can do a vampire bite to an enemy and he can get health. And his fourth attack, which is I really love, is the uppercut punch. Bam! Look at that fist right there. Boom! I just love that attack. Okay, now that I showed Night Shift, I'm gonna go do gameplay. So we're in the Boney Island, that chapter, the snow level. And I'm actually doing score attack while I'm playing this. Oh my god. It takes a lot of damage, the uppercut punch. That's what I love about it. And I even love playing as Night Shift. He's one of my favorite Skylanders. Okay, let's go. Boom! 130 damage. And he got defeated. Ow! I hate the eyes falling on my head. Okay, let's get out of here. Open door! Why don't you open? Open! It's not opening. Maybe I should do something. Oh yeah, I should push this block. Push that there. Push that there. Push that there. There. No! Pushing in the wrong area. There we go. Ugh. Yeah, now we can unlock this door. Woo, punch it, punch it. Woo, bam. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's defeat these guys. Boom. I'm gonna take some health. Vampire bite. Did you see the health I just got there? Yeah. And I defeated those two enemies with one uppercut punch. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.